You know, I'd really been enjoying riding my bike to class every day, but now it needs a repair, I can't afford to take it in, and I don't know how to do it myself.
Did you know that Portland Community College offers free bike repair, basic adjustments, and routine maintenance for your bike?
Wait, what? But this isn't a school rental bike. It's my own personal bike. Is that okay?
If it's a bike and you ride it to class, yes, we can fix it.
I'm a staff member. Can I get a bike repair?
Yes! This is available to staff as well. Schedule a repair appointment at this email or just scan the QR code here. And here's a repair schedule.
Portland Community College bike repairs got me rip roaring and all fixed up and back on the road again.